Okay, student. Good morning to all of you once again. So now I'm going to discuss. Now I'm going to discuss some others. IUPSC naming, which is a exercise question. What is it? You see, 11.1. In the 11.1, okay, this is the exercise question of NCRT. What is going to happening there now? Just see the OH group, where it is. It is there only. Then its numbering should start from 1. I will write over there CH3, then CH3, then CHOH, then CH3, then CH3. Clear? Now what to do there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Okay, then here second position, fourth position. So what is there? 3 methyl group is there. So what do we write there? 2, 4. Then trimethyl. What you will write there? Trimethyl. Then pentane 3-ol. Pentane 3-ol. Is that clear? Pentane 3-ol. Clear? Is that clear to you to all? Okay. Okay, then after that you can see the next one. Must see all of you. Next one. Student, I think next one you can do it by your own very easily. From which side the numbering is going to be start? Where the OH group is getting the lowest number. Okay, from here, beta. 1, here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now what is there at the 5 position? Yes, ethyl group. What is there? Ethyl group. So what will be its name? 5-ethyl. Then OH, how many carbon? 7. 5-ethyl. Then heptane. Why heptane? Because 7 carbon is there. Heptane, but you will write like that. Heptane. E will come. Then 2, 4 diol. Understood? फिर आगे क्या आएगा इसके? 5-ethyl. And just remember, heptane की E आएगी because D is not a vowel. Okay, now you see after that you can see number 3. I think number 3 is very, very easy. Okay, or number 3 is very much easy, I think. I hope so you all can do it very, very well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is butane 2, 3 diol. Clear? Butane 2, 3 diol. Next one you see, here it is 3 OH group is here. How many OH group is here? 3 OH group is there. Now you see, you can start the numbering from anywhere. 1, 2 and 3. So its name will be propane. Propane की E आएगी. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Why triol? 1 OH, 2 OH, 3 OH. Clear? After that you must see number 5. What is it? There, number 5. In the number 5, what is there? I told you have to start the numbering from the functional group. Then what is going to happening over there? Where OH is attached, that carbon is first carbon. Okay, then this is the second carbon where CH3 is attached. So its name will be 2-methylphenol. Clear? Then after that you can see number 6. Here it is. Then number 1, number 2, number 3. Then methyl will be 4. Always we are preferring the functional group. So its name will be, this one name is 4-methylphenol. Clear? Now after that we are going towards number 7. Now in the number 7 beta, also just remember only one thing, that we have to give the lowest number, lowest number to the functional group. Okay, then what to do there here in this case? अब बताओ कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे नंबरिंग बेटा इन दिस केस, इन द 7th? Yes, think about it. Yeah, from there 1, OH will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, and this methyl will be number 5. Okay, then methyl group is here at 2nd and 5th position. At the 2nd and the 5th position, then its name will be 2,5 dimethyl phenol. 2,5 dimethyl phenol. Okay, next question you see, please, all of you. Now OH is in the center. OH is in the center. So here obviously it is 1. It is number 1. Then after that you can start from any side. You can start from this side also 2, or you can start from this side also 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Then what you will speak over there, 2, 2, this is 2, this is 6, 2,6 dimethyl phenol. Okay, 2,6 dimethyl phenol. Clear? Okay beta. Then after that you see, all of you please, next one is here. Next one we are having ethers. As I told you now only beta, regarding the ethers, what is that smaller group will act as an alkoxy. अब देखो ये क्या है, you must see, all of you, this one will act as an alkoxy group. Okay, then numbering will start from where? Numbering will be started from where? It will start from 1, then 2, then 3. क्लियर? अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 पे क्या है, मिथॉक्सी. आई विल राइट इट्स नेम 1 मिथॉक्सी. बेटा दिस इज अ मिथॉक्सी. देन 2 पे क्या है, मिथाइल. 2 मिथाइल. हाउ मेनी कार्बन इज हियर? 3 कार्बन, प्रोपेन. Clear? Okay, then after that you must see, all of you please. Next one, C6H5O C2H5. क्या है? C6H5O C2H5. Just see, all of you, which one is the smaller? Smaller will act as an alkoxy group. So this is the smaller one. This is called ethoxy. So its name will be ethoxybenzene. Its name will be ethoxybenzene. Once again, I am repeating you, its name will be ethoxybenzene. Why ethoxybenzene? Because this is the smaller one and this is the larger one. Clear? Okay, then after that we are having next one, number 11. What is here? Number 11. Now in the number 11 you see, please, all of you, what they have given to you. C6H5. Okay, I will write over here. You see, all of you. Now what they have given to you here in this case, C6H5, then oxygen, C7H15. In the bracket they have written N, but N means it is a normal chain. It is a normal chain. I will make you the compound. कैसे बनाया है compound सही मायने में. देखो इधर C6H5 is known as a benzene and oxygen. C7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, like this. Here is hydrogen. Okay, yes or no? It's like that. Now tell me, where's the larger carbon and where is the smaller carbon? Where is the larger carbon and where is the number of carbons are smaller? Okay, I think you all are getting my point. Now what is here? Here is a 6 carbon only, so that is why this one will act as an alkoxy group. Okay, this is called 1-phenoxy, 1-phenoxy, then heptane. We understood now? Now why it is alkoxy group? Because it is containing only 6 carbon and it is containing total 7 carbon. Okay, and I told you smaller carbon will be act as an alkoxy group. Clear hai? Okay, then after that you can see next one. Mera next one I think is very easy. You can do it by your own also. CH3 CH2O. अब तो आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो गया बेटा. ये क्या है लिखा है यहाँ पर? CH3 CH2 then O CH3 CH2 then CH3. Clear? Is that clear to you? Now what is going to happening over there? Obviously beta, this is your alkoxy group and you will start the numbering 1 2 3 4. Okay, so its name will be 2-ethoxy, yeah, 2-ethoxy butane. Is that clear? Okay, then after that student, you are having a next question is a second question is there. Now they have given to you what formulas they have given to you. You have to write their structures. IUPAC name they have given to you. Okay, then 2-methyl butanol is very easy, you can do it. 1-phenyl propane 2-ol. इसका बना देता हूँ आपको. 1-phenyl, 1 पे क्या है? phenyl means, see all of you, 1-phenyl propane 2-ol. 1 2 3. 1 पे क्या है? phenyl propane 2-ol. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, तो next one is here. Next one easily हो जाएगा. third one no issue. Fourth one is diethyl 2,3 diethyl phenol. It's very easy. Next one is here ethoxy propane 1-ethoxy propane. बेटा ये ऐसे आएगा C2H5O. Then propane is here CH2 CH3. Clear? Okay, then next one is, after that next one 2-ethoxy 3-methyl pentane. 2-ethoxy 3-methyl pentane. First of all write on the carbons 1 2 3 then 4 then 5. Write the numbers 1 2 3 4 and 5. 2 पे क्या है? ethoxy OC2H5. 2-ethoxy है. 3 भी क्या है? methyl. Is that clear? Oh, yes or no? Okay, then after that you must see next one. Next one is there cyclohexyl methanol. What is it? Cyclohexyl methanol. But this one will be like this. You know why? Because now here where the OH group is here, that will be our main chain. Okay, so this is the main chain. So that is why now this ring will act as an alkyl group. Usually it is called cyclohexane, but when it will act as an alkyl group, then it is known as cyclohexyl. Clear? Okay, next one is 3-cyclohexyl pentane 3-ol. 3-cyclohexyl pentane. See, 3-cyclohexyl pentane 3-ol. Pentane है 1 2 3 4 5. 5 कार्बन है रिटर्न देयर. अब 3 पे क्या है? साइक्लोहेक्साइल. 3 पे क्या है? OH. क्लियर है? ओ यस और नो? साइक्लोहेक्साइल बेटा इसलिए है ये बिकॉज फंक्शनल ग्रुप आपके पास मेन चेन में लगा हुआ है. ओके ओके देन नेक्स्ट वन यू सी cyclopent 3-in-1-ol. cyclopent 3-in-1-ol. Let it be OH group is here 1 2 3 4 5, तो डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन 3 and 4. Clear? Okay, after that last one is a cyclopent, sorry, 3 chloro, then methyl, 3 chloro methyl pentane 1 ol. Chloromethyl means pentane लिखा है ना, pentane means 1 2 3 4 and 5, 3 chloro, 3 पे क्या है Cl, 3 sorry chloromethyl है बेटा, sorry chloromethyl means CH2Cl. Is that clear? And 1 पे क्या है OH group, OH group you will attach over there. Clear? Okay, okay student. Then after that you are having question number 11.3, that draw the structures of all isomeric alcohol with the molecular formula C5H12O and gives their IUPAC names also. Okay, what they are asking, gives their IUPAC name also. Okay, now when they are asking you like that C5H12O, just I am writing over there C5H12O है बेटा आपके पास, तो I will tell you here near about 8 isomer will be there. How many isomer का मतलब क्या होता है? Isomer means their molecular formula is same but structures are different. See number one I am going to make there, let it be CH3 CH2 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 CH2OH. Okay, this is called pentanol and ये primary alcohol है, ठीक है. Same way one more we can write CH3, this OH we can write there also CHOH. Okay, just wait beta, just wait. Here I am writing, let it be CH3. Okay, CH3 CH2 CH3, then CH2OH. Its name will be 2-methyl butane 1-ol. It is also a primary alcohol. Okay, now I am writing third one you see, this CH3 can come at the second position also, CH3, here also CH3, then CH2 OH. Okay, then it is called 3-methyl butane 1-ol. 1 2 3, 3-methyl butane 1-ol. 3 isomer बन गए. Now number 4 you see CH3 CH3, then CH3, then CH2OH. Here is 1, then 2, then 3. 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1-ol. It is also a primary. पर जितने भी हमने किए हैं प्राइमरी एंड द प्राइमरी, ये 4 बन गए हमारे पास. नंबर 5 you must see the number 5 will be, now we are going to change the position of the OH group. Okay, into that CH3 CH2. देखो बेटा एक तरीका है करने का इसको. अब now I am changing the position of OH group. Okay, CHOH CH2 CH3. Okay, this is pentane 3-ol and it is a pentane 3-ol, it is a secondary. Okay, now you see one more, this OH can be CH3 CH2 then CHOH CH3. Its name is pentane 2-ol, it is also a secondary. Okay, now you see number 7 CH3 CHOH then CH3. This is alkyl group also substituted and OH group is also substituted. It is called 3-methyl butane 2-ol. It is also a secondary. Okay, after that last one है हमारे पास एक और CH3 CH2 then okay, just wait, can I rub this one? CH, okay, just see all of you, CH3, CH2, then here CH3, here is CH3, then OH. Clear? All the its name is 2-methyl butane 2-ol and it is a tertiary alcohol. Clear? So this is the question was here that we have solved. We have written all the isomeric alcohol and they ask you the next part, primary, secondary and tertiary, that also I told you. Okay student, so with that we have completed all the IUPSC naming questions which were given in the NCERT. Thank you very much.